Welcome once again. Let's talk about CRO, Cronos, Crypto.com, local coin. This coin has been dominating recently on Twitter, and I believe very soon we'll be talking about Binance listing this coin. Remember, so many crypto exchanges, top crypto exchanges have already listed Cronos CRO coin, including Coinbase, but yet for Binance, they are yet to list this coin. And once Binance lists Cronos CRO coin, this is going to be one of the biggest. This is going to be the biggest listing of CRO. Yes, once Binance lists this coin, and we are expecting a price bomb, a price increase in price before the end of this year. I'm expecting CRO to hit back at 96 cents or $1. Now, this is a future coin that will create a lot of millionaires. Now, for Binance, remember, I don't know why for now Binance are yet to list Cronos CRO coin, because Binance are known to list so many coins, especially the coins that are among the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So right now Binance are yet to list Cronos CRO, but Coinbase have already listed this coin, including other top exchanges. But I believe that yes, actually the question that I was asked to one of the CRO founder, why Binance are yet to list, he just responded and said, well, it depends, that they are still working on it and that Binance can still list CRO coin. But of course Binance they know why, and they have their own choices. But I believe that for CRO, this is a coin with over $1 billion market cap, and this is a coin that is ranked among not just top 100 but the top 50 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And I believe that Binance need to consider listing this coin, because with their listing, CRO will definitely benefit so greatly with Binance partnering with CRO coins. And I still believe that yes, Binance can list this coin. Now, people are talking about Binance listing recently in the past few days. All this started since last year, 2022, when we keep hearing that Binance, they are about to list Cronos CRO coin. And I still believe yes, very soon I believe CRO will be listed on Binance, and that will definitely benefit, that will become a game changer for CRO coin. I keep having this feeling this coin definitely is going to be just like Binance BNB. This coin is definitely going to be just like Solana. You know, all these coins that started before. The next few years, you see CRO trading at $5 or $10 or $100, just like Binance BNB did well since 2018. So I believe that local coin of Crypto.com, they will keep pushing this coin, they will keep supporting this coin. But with Binance listening, it is going to bring a lot of changes. With Binance listening, is going to push this coin further. I believe Binance listening is what they need right now, because this is going to mark as the biggest listening of Cronos CRO, the biggest listing of all time. Okay, and I'm happy that this coin right now still remain among the top level, and they are really doing well. And with a great plan and with their roadmap, I'm happy to see the great roadmap, a well-planned roadmap, which will definitely help Cronos CRO coin to really increase in price. But I still believe now they need to focus also on the burning of these coins. Yeah, they should burn more coins, because when you have just few coins out there, few circulating coins, it will help the coins to grow more. That is why some people believe that Shiba Inu can never hit 1 cent. You know why? Because at the level they are, with the number of coins they have, Shiba Inu needs more than $5 trillion market cap, which is bigger than the entire cryptocurrency. We have over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. It's bigger than entire cryptocurrency, more than 200 times. So it will be difficult for Shiba Inu to gain such market cap. Okay, except, look, I quote, except Shiba Inu are able to burn their coins, except Shiba Inu are able to destroy over 98% or 95% of their supply, then Shiba Inu hitting 1 cent or even $1 will be possible. And this is why I believe for CRO coin to hit over $10 to $100 price in the nearest future, they need to burn more coins. It is true they have great partner with different sports academies, with T-Wish rivals. They have a lot of partnership with Serie A. They have a lot of partnership with Formula One. I mean, these guys are getting a lot of partnership. Crypto.com are really doing well, and I'm happy for them. But they need to understand that at this point, they need to burn more coins, and they need to try and get Binance to list this coin. Once you have your coins on Binance, there is a possibility that that coin can hit over 100 to 1000% within the first 2 months. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that very soon we all be smiling and CRO will definitely increase in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.